Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Kiss Love. Big thank you to Kiss Love for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I have an 18-inch wig. This is a 6x4 pre-everything wig. Super cute, and you can get this in different lengths. This wig comes styled, lace is cut, knots are pre-bleached, hairline is pre-plucked, and they even give you a baby hair swoop. It has all the upgrades you need to wear this 100% glueless and for it to still give frontal without you having to glue down a 13x4. So as you can see, I put this on my head right out of the package and it is already done. I cinched the drawstring in the back and then I tuck that in to conceal it. Once I'm done with that, I really just take my fingers and I pull the curls apart. That is really all that I did. The only other thing that I did was I used a little bit of lace concealer on the part. And the reason I did that was because of my wig cap. I wanted to camouflage the line of demarcation. Otherwise, you don't need concealer on this lace because it is bleached and prepared so well. It automatically gives scalp when you put it on. So as you can see here, I have no concealer, but you do see that line of demarcation from the wig cap. So that is the reason I do use concealer. But there were no hot tools needed for this. So now I am just reshaping the swoop that they provide you with. I used a little bit of edge control on there and I think I went in with some hairspray, but any and all products used in this video will be linked down in the description box as well as pop up here on the screen. But it is just the usual products that I use for every wig install. I love this look because it is so cute. It is so tea for the summer. You don't have to worry about being super hot with all of the hair, or you don't have to worry about the ear tabs when you're frontal lifting because of sweat. This is the perfect throw on and go ready to wear wig. And once you stretch this out, you have a full 18 inches. But I love the curls because it gives the illusion of a lob, like a long bob. So as you can see here, I'm just fluffing it out. I don't change too much of this. I do show you some other styles towards the end of this video, but this is the install. Super easy. I feel like anyone can accomplish this because it is ready to wear. It is definitely beginner friendly. So I'm just going to clean this up, show you what it looks like from every angle, and then we're going to get into some styling, which I love because you would think this not being a frontal, there's not much you can do with it. But baby, we style this one. So just stay tuned. What it looks like in the side part in which it arrives to you. I do show you this up in a claw clip. I kept the side swoop theme going for most of these styles because it was really cute. So I love this little edge that they give you, but for the last style, I do pull out another piece of hair by my ear to give the illusion of an ear tab. So this is just a quick and easy throw up into a claw clip. The next style that I show you is going to be a half up, half down. So don't think because it is a simple wig that you cannot style her. You can style all your wigs. So I'm going to have all the links down in the description box, and I will also link my last two collaborations with Kiss Love so you can check out some of their other ready to wear wigs. So I am going to head on out. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you to Kiss Love once again, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.